This is Marissa from Design by Geeks and Marissa Rocks It, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble our Papercut cards. We have them in lots of different designs for lots of different occasions, holidays, birthdays, and if you want this particular design with the pumpkin, I'll put the link in our video description. The nice thing about these cards is they look fancy, but they're actually really easy to make. Start by cutting out your pieces on your cutting machine. There's going to be the main card shape, and then there's going to be the piece that has the cutout design. And all you need to do is just glue those together. So I'm just applying glue on the cutout shape. And then I'm going to stick that to the card. If there's any excess glue, you can just wipe that up. Now you just fold it in the middle along this straight edge. If you like, you can add a score line here, and you can either do that in your cutting machine software before you cut out the main card shape, or you can use a hand tool like one of these. So this one here has a little wheel, and it's like a cutting tool except for the edge isn't sharp, so you just roll it along to create a score line. Or you can use a tool like this along with a ruler to create a score line, like so. And you just press firmly to create that indent. One thing I like about this tool is that one end will give you score lines and the other end will give you a nice crisp fold. So I have my score line here that I made with the hand tool. And I just fold it along that pre-scored line, and then I can just use this to press it down and give it a really nice, neat edge. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.